Hello, this is Alexander's Sunchase and Nanich, and today I want to show you how to make the simple, kind of simple bass for whatever drum bass or whatever style. Okay, it will be like 170, so probably like drum bass, and we will start just from initial patch, and probably it's better to use one oscillator now. I'm sorry, where is my signal? Oh, okay. There's some filter and resonance. Okay, and just put the whatever kick. And just make a short loop like this. Oh, so yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, sorry, it's just so loud now. I wanted to have it like this. And yes, automation. Okay. Sorry. Like this. Let's shorten this one because it's goes. Yeah, something like this. And let's maybe put some distortion. Yeah. And some reverb, like Capitol Chambers, pretty cool. Maybe not that much delay, put more mids. Yeah. And probably some, I don't know, another like flanger, I don't know. You can also automate the flanger a bit, why not? Like this. Yeah. Not that bad. We can actually put even more filter. So we'll have two filters. like this a lot actually, and gives this nice kind of warm round sound. And yeah, let's record another automation. Like this, for example. And also, okay, I will just bounce this MIDI and then make the audio file from this like this. So we have the it's a bit overloading anyway, and then we can play with the groove and find our whatever perfect groove. Sometimes I just chop the samples. So for example, we can make a lot of this kind of basses, different ones, and then when we have the wave files we can play around with them to have a groove. Just, I don't know, some different one. For example, let's just duplicate, just leave this, put it aside, and then I don't know, just let's see what we can do. And for example, I like the sound, but maybe I will also just you know, just duplicate this, and I will just put it maybe here and put, like, I don't know, some delay wherever, stereo delay, Steinberg, yeah, let's see. That's the thing, then we can remove the automation. Yeah, so this is it, and you have an idea. It's just sometimes it's better to render your MIDI to audio and then play around with the audio and just combine your sounds to make some interesting grooves, you know, because you have like much more control with the audio waveforms than just the MIDI whatever clips, you know. This in the piano roll. So yeah, I hope this helps, and thank you. See you around. Peace.